and his wife, Aneta Wisniewska, over here. Welcome to some of the Polish artists. We have 4 out of the 19 artists present here in Denmark, and we are very happy about that. They have come from Starogard a few days ago. We also have a representative from the municipality in Starogard, Adam Ivanovsky. Are you here, Adam?
Yeah, here.
Good. You too. And welcome. I went from Danish to English, I'm sorry. 4 polske kunstnere, som kommer herop, og Adam kommer fra Rådhuset i Starogard. Og så vil jeg byde velkommen til vores medlemmer i aften og til venner af Anna Borg. And now I will do it in English, and then I'll go back to Danish. So on behalf of the Hillerød Art Society, I would like to bid welcome to this opening night of the exhibition of Polish art from Starogard. Welcome to the ambassador once more, and to his wife, and welcome to the 4 Polish artists who have traveled all the way from Starogard, and to Adam from the municipality, and welcome to our society members and friends of Anna Borg. Udstillingen her er kommet i stand, da Hillerød Kunstforening sidste år besluttede, at ville lave udstillinger med Hillerød bys mangeårige venskabsbyer, startende med de 3 nordiske lande, Norge, Sverige og Finland. Nu er det sidste gang, vi får en venskabsby, fordi Hillerød Kommune ikke længere giver tilskud til venskabsby samarbejde. Man har besluttet at koncentrere sig om internationale projekter, som man vælger fra projekt til projekt. Men den her dejlige udstilling er kommet i stand ved et samarbejde med en søster til en herboende polsk herre, som hedder Roman Sumsinski, og han bor tilfældigvis i Nødebo, hvor jeg bor. Og vi har snakket sammen om, hvordan vi kunne få sådan et samarbejde op at stå. Romans søster og søster her, Sofia Sumsinska og Michael Majewski, som står og fotograferer lige nu, driver et kunstgalleri, der hedder Autorska 24B i Starogard. Og det er de 2 mennesker, der har formået at samle 19 kunstnere til at deltage i denne udstilling. De har skaffet midler fra Starogard bystyret til transporten herop, og de har fået trykt kataloger, som man kan købe for små penge her i receptionen. Den polske ambassade i Danmark har velvilligt støttet udstillingen, dels med polsk vin, som måske ikke ret mange har smagt før, og med tilskud til transporten retur til Polen, når udstillingen slutter. Så en stor tak til ambassaden, til alle, der har hjulpet til med at realisere udstillingen. Det er lige fra Canon, som sponsorer de trykte materialer, og blomsterhandleren herovre, som leverer hver udstilling en fin dekoration, der står over i vinduet. Og tak til bestyrelsen og alle frivillige, der har hjulpet med at sætte den op. Last year, Hillerød Art Society decided to cooperate with art societies in the Twin Cities of the 3 Nordic countries, and to continue this year with art from the twin city of Starogard near Gdansk in Poland. The contact person in relation to Poland was and is Roman Sumsinski, whose sister and husband Sofia and Michael run a galleria, Autorska 24B in Starogard. Those 2 artists were eager to work on this project, said yes immediately we asked, and they managed to assemble works of 19 Starogard Gdansk artists. Very impressive. Also impressive that 4 of them traveled to be here today and to be here during the hanging. The gallery also managed to obtain financial and practical support from the Starogard Gdansk municipality for transportation of the art pieces to Denmark, and to the printing of the catalogue, which we have here in this room. The Polish Embassy in Copenhagen has been very supportive on this project. The Polish wine you're drinking tonight is a gift from the Embassy, and the Embassy will also financially support the return transportation of the art pieces to Poland. We cannot thank you enough for this gesture. Also thank you to our other sponsors, and a thanks to the board of the Art Society and all the practical helpers. I would like to ask Sophia to introduce the artists so you know who they are, and you are welcome to ask them questions. After that, the ambassador's wife, Aneta Wisniewska, will officially open the exhibition. So, Sophia, your turn.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lina. Welcome. I would like to introduce my friends. Okay. I would like to introduce my friends from Poland, from Starogard, and the surrounding of Starogard. Veronika Grube. Here is, she makes ceramic. Paweł Wyborski, a tall man. She is a painter. My husband, Michał Majewski, he makes a sculpture in wood. I'm a painter, and I paint pictures. So you are welcome to see our works. The group is much bigger, but not all of them, they couldn't come. Just 4 of us here. If you like to ask me about some artists, you are welcome.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. After you, I'll have a few more words. Okay, thank you.
Good evening, my name is Aneta Wisniewska. I'm wife of the Polish ambassador, but I'm also an art historian. So it's a double pleasure for me to be here tonight. And I would like to share some thoughts with you, not too many, because I think art should speak for itself. But first of all, I would like to say that I believe that art is a very personal thing. And it's about expression and communication. Some people have something to say, and other people are ready or want to listen, follow, and be inspired. And I believe that good art always has something to say, even if it's just about color or a form, a shape. But I believe that good art has always something to say, even though it often speaks a secret language. And here we are. You don't need to speak Polish to understand art of, well, you'll see tonight. Art is about connecting people. And I think this exhibition is a great example. We will see here tonight, works of a group of artists who know each other, who work sometimes together. And I think it is art that brought together these people. And the art brought them also to Denmark. They have been invited here by the Hillerød Art Society. And I hope you will enjoy, and this art bring together you and the artist from Poland. And I'm very grateful to Lene and to Roman for this initiative. And I'm very grateful to Zofia for curating it on the Polish end. And I hope you will appreciate and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Jeg vil lige tilføje, at nogle af kunstnerne vil være her både lørdag og søndag, så spred ordet ude i byen, at man er velkommen til at komme og tale med kunstnerne. 4 of the artists will be here during the weekend, 2 on Saturday and 2 on Sunday during the opening hours. And we're spreading the word that everybody's welcome. Og så har vi den sædvanlige lodtrækning på indgangsnummer. Og nu skal vi se, om man har en lille pose med noget i.
Das ist auch nochmal.
39, 8, red 39, nummer 39.